Jamaican black castor oil for hair growth. Here are 3 ways to use this oil to boost the growth of your hair. 1. Hair growth blend. Take a 2 ounces amber glass dropper bottle and mix in it the following ingredients: 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of liquid coconut oil, 7 drops of rosemary essential oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 4 drops of cedarwood essential oil, 3 drops of thyme essential oil. How to use it? Apply it to the scalp by massaging the scalp with your fingers for 2 to 5 minutes. After that, you can wash your hair or leave the oil blend overnight, then wash your hair in the morning. The application of the oil blend can be done once in 1 to 2 weeks. 2. Hot oil treatment. Place 2 teaspoons of Jamaican black castor oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a small pan on the stove. Heat it until it gets warm to touch, then remove from heat and stir in 3 drops of rosemary oil and 3 drops of lavender oil. Section your hair into 2 or 4 parts and drop the oil mixture onto your scalp using a spoon. Apply enough oil to saturate the whole scalp. Rub the mixture into the scalp with your fingers, then cover your hair with a shower cap. Wash your hair after 1 hour with a shampoo to remove all the oils. Repeat 1-2 times per week. 3. Scalp massage. Make a creamy mixture by combining the following ingredients in a clean container: 1 tablespoon of creamy coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of Jamaican black castor oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil. How to use it? Using your clean fingers, scoop up some amount of the mixture and rub it on your scalp in circular motions. This simple scalp massage will enhance the blood circulation within the scalp, bringing more nutrients to the hair follicles and thereby stimulating hair growth.